Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to cut out an image on Canva using the phone. First, launch and open the Canva app on your phone. Now add an image to your design and crop it from the corners according to the preferred size. Swipe right to the bottom tools to reach the crop option. Next, adjust the image to crop it and place it in the center. Then select the aspect ratio of the image if needed. After cropping, tap Done to make changes. Now swipe right to the tools and go to Effects at the bottom to add a new effect. Go through the editing tools and tap More to view other options. You'll find the Replace Background option. Head back to Effects, tap Shadows and adjust the intensity of the image. After that, go to the Magic Studio option and select VG Remover. It'll remove its background, so tap the mixer icon on the top of the effect. Here, set the brush size and remove the area of the image you want. You can set options to reset or show its original image. Once it is done, you can adjust it on the canvas and it is ready to export. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more easy to follow tips and tricks.